guys, good afternoon. So yung analysis natin nung nakaraang weekend, Sunday. So we break above this area, the resistance, and then we're looking for a retest. Then nag-trade nga tayo dito kaninang madaling araw. Then we actually wait 8 hours to finally play out nga. So kung makikita nyo, panalo tayo ng 4%. So it took 25 lots. Yeah, 25 lots kasi napakagandang setup talaga. Actually, nag-out na ako ng early. Kaya pang ako, actually, kaya pang manalo ng around 6,000 pero nag-out na ako since binawi ko yung old losses ko. So yun, panalo tayo guys ng 4% today. And then next setup natin, maghahanap tayo sa susunod na setup. So currently parang okay na ako for now. Then ang possible setup is this one, CAD JPY. So when if nag-break above siya, and then we're waiting for a possible retest dito sa area natin. So this is a possible A plus trade. So magandang trade ito guys. So see you.